How to make love during ovulation. Making love during ovulation is a beautiful experience for a man and a woman. When you two are in love, all you want to do is make love. You feel this urgency to be with each other, not just have sex but share your feelings and connect on a deeper level. Making love during ovulation is a great way to get pregnant. Ovulation is the time in your cycle when you can conceive a baby. It happens about 2 weeks before your next period, and it's when your body releases an egg that's ready to be fertilized. Here are some tips and tricks for making love during ovulation. 1. Know when you're fertile. If you want to get pregnant, it helps to know the signs of fertility. The best way to do this is with an ovulation predictor test that predicts your fertile window based on your menstrual cycle. 2. Choose the right position. For many people, missionary sex is their favorite position because it feels intimate and comfortable, but it might not be the best choice if you're trying to conceive. That's because missionary can cause your man's sperm to travel backward, which makes it more difficult for them to reach your egg. 3. Use a lubricant. If semen is not enough to enhance your pleasure when making love during ovulation, then using a lubricant can help. A water-based lubricant will not affect fertility, but some oil-based ones may cause irritation or infections if used frequently. 4. Stimulate yourself before sex. Stimulating the clitoris or G-spot before intercourse can increase your sexual pleasure and allow you to reach orgasm more quickly. This may also increase your chances of conception if you have sex during ovulation. The cervix is more open during this time, and sperm can enter the uterus more easily. 5. Stay focused on sensations. During sex, it can be tempting to get distracted by everything going on around you, what your partner is saying or thinking, whether or not you're pleasing them. However, if you stay focused on the physical sensations that occur during sexual activity, it will be easier for both of you to climax.